today's first look, we have a 2003 Hummer H1 Predator custom SUV. This also comes with the custom trailer. Both of these custom built Hummers and trailers will be selling as a package at no reserve at our Houston auction. These were custom built by Predator, one of the largest manufacturers of custom Hummer H1 accessories. It was built in 2016. This was a no expense spared build, but it has a full binder of receipts. The conversion included changing the powertrain to an upgraded 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine equipped with the Duramax-654 Garrett turbo kit. Extensive upgrades include the engine, injectors, intercooler, and radiator are all spelled out in the build book. The engine is backed by an upgraded Stage 4 Allison automatic 6-speed transmission, custom-built Predator big brake kit, the stealth color combination of chorus gray and black, but it has, as you can see up front, I mean the amount of money that was spent on this truck, but a lot of fine details, the reinforcement, a lot of the steel on the sides and the big cage in the front. Our showroom did a lot of maintenance on this truck. It was owned by a customer of ours. I know one thing, it had an open checkbook to keep this thing the best it can be. Across the board, LED headlights everywhere on this. If you can't see when you're going down the road in this thing, don't mention the machine gun up on the top. It has all sorts of stuff on the inside. The gauges are tucked behind the Momo steering wheel, 4 leather seats, tinted windows, a transmitter radio with a flat screen TV mounted in the middle of the dash. Really high-tech, done on a vehicle, very iconic. These, as you know, used in Desert Storm, one of these real trucks. The trailer also we haven't even talked about. That is included in the sale. This is an original government trailer made to go with this. Actually has a tag on the tongue there. This is also has an all steel skin. Inside it features steel cabinetry, side windows, carpet, and a flat screen TV mounted to a swivel rack. It is set up for off the grid with 12-volt battery inverter, gas and propane mounts, 20-gallon gas tank, 20-gallon water tank, and pump to be hooked up to a shower, a plumbing system. The list goes on and on and on as you look around this truck. Both of these selling as a pair with no reserve at our 2022 Houston auction, October 20th through the 22nd. Check it out on our website. Both of these absolutely amazing pieces selling at no reserve. See you there.